Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to transfer money from one PayPal account to another in 2025. With PayPal's latest updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it perfect for sending cash to friends, family, or even splitting bills. Whether you're a PayPal pro or new to the platform, this guide will get you up to speed in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up the PayPal app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. In 2025, you'll notice enhanced login options like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning for quicker access. Just log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request tab, which is prominently displayed on the homepage to make things easy. Next, click on Send Money. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. That's their email address, phone number, or PayPal username. Double-check this step because accuracy is key to avoid any delays. Now, input the amount you want to send. PayPal in 2025 offers real-time currency conversion, so if you're dealing with international transfers, select your preferred currency right there. Add a quick note if you like, such as, "for dinner last night," to make it personal. Before you proceed, take a second to review the transaction summary. This is where you'll see any potential fees. Remember, domestic transfers are often free, but international ones might have a small charge. Hit Confirm and verify with your security PIN or biometrics for an extra layer of protection. And just like that, the money is on its way. You'll get a confirmation email, and the recipient will be notified instantly. A few quick tips. Always ensure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network, keep an eye on your account balance, and if you run into issues, PayPal's 24/7 support is just a chat away. That's it for today's guide. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.